Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain about how to write the data to property file in Java. So let's get started. And we need to know about the property file before we get begin. So property object contain key and value pairs both as a string, and it can be used to get the property value based on the property key. And the property class provides a method to get the data from the property file and store the data into the property file. And if there is any change in the property file, we no need to recompile the Java class again. And we will use some of the methods to write the sample code, which is a property, and we have a store method and file output stream. So let's get started. And in case if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Let me open my Eclipse. And here we need to create a class now, and I have a Selenium Maven project here, and under source src test Java I'll create a class under demo package. Let me create a class name as write data to property file. So this is my class name, and we need a main method, and just click on finish. So now we are writing data to the property file. We need to first initiate the property file. So to initiate the property file, we need the property method, properties, and properties under package we need to import java.util, and reference I am giving as pro equal to new property. Now we have initiated the property file, and we need to write the data to our property file. So how we can do that? We need to use a reference of property dot, we need to use a one of method under that, which is a put method. So put method need a key and value. So for the key, I can give anything. I can give username, and value as you can provide any value like such study tech as a user name, and pro dot put key value as password name as XYZ, and now we have written two values, which is writing into our property, which is a username and password. And now we need to write that to a property file, the property file which is a file system. So we need to initiate the file system. For that I am using a input file stream for the output file. File output stream IO, file equal to new file output stream. Under file we need to provide a file name. So currently we are writing data to property file. If we already have any property file location, we need to provide that location, and if we want to create a new location, then we need to provide a location for that property file which we are going to create. I'm writing to one of my folder, which is I already created a folder here, which is a property folder under my Selenium project. So I will provide the same location to create a new property file there. Properties, and my file name should be write data dot properties. So this is my file name which I am going to create, and I need to ensure that this is a file which I am writing, which should be a unique one, so no duplicate should be allowed. So for that I will create a boolean value which is a true. So this condition will verify if my file exists or not. In case my file already exists, that will write the data. It won't create a new property file, but it will write the same data into the same existing property file. And this throws some exception. We need to add exception. which is a file not found exception. And till now we have created a property file initiation, and we have written some data to the property file, and we have created a file output stream to store our property file data. And we need to use one more line of code which will create our data into that property file, which is a store method under properties. So pro.store, and we need to provide the store value as property. We need to provide the instance of the file, and here I can say that this is my property file, and this will throw some exception. We need to add that exception to, which is the IO exception. Now we are set to go. So this will create our property file, and it will write the two values and two value pairs, which is the username and password, to my property file. And let me try pass this out so that we can ensure that our test case is being executed and passed. And let me try file created, and save the program. Let me quickly run. So currently I don't have any file. I am using a write data.properties, so there is no write data properties here. Let me run this program. It says something wrong. Use demo package set property. Where it is? Let me refresh the program. I did not use the set property anywhere. Let me try to run the program once again. Yeah, now this time it executed. I guess something their cookies. I have working on some other project, so that file has been overlapped here. So now we have created our property file, and in case if this property file is not visible here, we need to go to the project and we need to refresh the project. And now you can see write data property file. If I right click on open, it has a password and username which is being created in this property file, which is a write property. So this is how we can write the properties using property file. I hope this small session is useful for you. In case if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Please share your comments, queries in the comment section. Thank you.